Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by making the critical checks that save time later. Update firmware, charge batteries, and secure a 360 degrees camera mount. Once done, attach the camera, balance the rig, and perform a compass and GPS calibration so the drone holds position. Make one short tethered hover to confirm video feed and camera control. Because a stable platform prevents stitching errors, make sure wind is under 10 km/h, and you have a clear takeoff zone before launching into the recording phase. Now you dial in capture settings and execute measured flight paths. Set the 360 camera to manual exposure, lock white balance, and choose 24-30 FPS for cinematic motion. Lower ISO preserves detail for stitching. Then fly slow straight passes with 30–50% overlap between frames so the stitching software has plenty of common data. Once done with one heading, rotate the drone or camera in controlled increments and repeat. Smooth throttle and gentle yaw reduce parallax and make the seam matching far more reliable. After landing, you immediately offload and back up footage to 2 drives and note which flight corresponds to which clip. Next, import clips into stitching software, choose matching projection, and let the auto-align run, then manually adjust seam blends and exposure if needed. Once stitched, color grade and export at target resolution for your player. If you hit persistent stitching artifacts, make sure exposures are identical across lenses and increase overlap. Consistent lighting and overlap are the single best fix for
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.